Dirty boys.
He's a fun-looking dirty boy. Like a really rowdy boy. Just a dirty boy. Just a rowdy, dirty boy.
It's a true rowdy boy. Trash boy. Garbage boy.
Garbage boy stink, man.
Oh, a regular boy. Real boy. Normal boys.
Hello, I'm Rail Boy. It's a beautiful baby boy. There's a good boy.
Hey.
Hey, now that's a boy that I could get into.
That's a perfect boy.
Let me see this perfect boy. Justin's special boy. My two special boys. Can you move faster? My perfect boy. My sweet boy, let me show you the world. My sweet boy.
My boy.
Let me get my boy.
I gotta say, you're
Treated.
starting with a sweet boy. That
Yeah.
He looks like a sweet boy. My beautiful boy.
Oh, my sweet boy. Sweet boy. Nervous little punk boy. This perfect, beautiful business child. This cream-faced business boy. Oh, shit, did I hit soft boy? Soft boy, get up. You good, soft boy?
Oh, God, this is such a good wrestle boy.
Perfect boy. Glide, you beautiful boy. Glide, you beautiful boy.
Come on, big boy.
Yes. I gave you a task. I am your god. You chat with boys.
Silly boys. Goofy boy.
This is a way better boy.
This boy's good.
This boy's pretty good at Soul Calibur. You want a big boy? You want a little boy?
A little boy.
He's a big old boy. He's a Benjamin Button baseball boy.
You got a crossbow boy.
I know about the crossbow boy now.
Perfect sword boy.
A spacefaring kiss boy.
Very bad boy. Very strong boy. A thick boy.
Oh yeah, you can't knock that boy over with a pail of water.
There's a field with 30 ghost boys.
Now what's my little perfect boy up to?
Toss boy.
I think it might be Toss Boy. This ain't gonna work, Juice. We may have to start over and give our boy a new job. This is not a boy's house, is it?
No, this is not a house for a boy. It's like two boys, half boys jammed together.
Oh, that's a lot of boys. Just a family of all boys. A boy family. Just all boys. Too many children, too many boys, too many beautiful boys.